In today's video, I am going to share a step-by-step process of creating latest version of Windows 11 installation media, that is version 22H2, and this is recommended for those who want to perform a reinstall of Windows 11 on any used PC or need to do clean install in a brand new SSD. We'll also share the constraints of minimal hardware required for the optimal operating system performance after installation. So let's crack the Windows. So let's start with the basic requirements before moving ahead with downloading. We must have genuine license key to activate Windows 11 after installation. If you have a digital license of Windows 11, you don't need to enter product key as it is already bound with your hardware and will automatically activate operating system. If you bought a physical copy of Windows, the product key should be on a label or card inside the box. If you do not remember your license key and just reinstalling Windows 11 on any used machine, first copy or take a screenshot of the license key. Go to Start, Run and type cmd. Now type the exact command as I am typing. Command is also mentioned in the description below. Just copy and paste. wmic space path space software licensing service space get space OA3X original product key. Here is the product key of Windows 11. Just keep it safe. Second must have condition is you must have a 64-bit CPU. To see if your PC has one, go to search and type system information. Here look for system type. Also, I would like to recommend machine must have at least 8GB RAM and 128GB SSD. Although SSD not mentioned mandatory by Microsoft, but in my personal experience, SSD has much better performance in comparison to HDD. Now open the browser and search for Download Windows 11. Click on this first link of official Microsoft portal. Here we have three options available for installing and creating Windows 11 media. We have to focus on this second option, Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Just click on Download. It will download a small 9.8 MB tool of media creation. Just click on it. Yes, accept Microsoft software license terms. Choose language and edition and click next. Here we have to choose media. It's either USB drive or DVD. If you choose ISO, you will need to burn the ISO file to DVD later on. I am going to use USB flash drive. Its size must be at least 8GB. Next, now here is USB drive showing. Make sure USB flash drive must be empty as all data on flash drive will be deleted. Let's check first if USB drive is empty or not. Yes, approx 29GB space is free and it's empty. Click next. Now it started downloading required files for Windows 11 installation. Approx 4.3GB data needs to be downloaded. So in my case, where internet download speed is approx 25 Mbps, it will take around 15 minutes to finish. In the next video, we'll see its installation process. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Download is done and our drive is ready to install Windows 11 latest version 22H2 on any supported laptop or desktop. See you soon. Goodbye.